Several of those initiatives I mentioned are, there's development underway to harness these best practices and proliferate these standards through NIST and through others. But if you look at the fundamental challenge right now, it's the diversity of the attack surface, that, those 20 billion devices that you mentioned. But with that, I think if you apply consistency of risk management and some of the things that we know work, whether it's in an IT environment or in this new diverse IoT environment. So how do you see what's transiting through your network and provide enforcement points and capabilities to block that, as we're partnering with VA, for example, to ensure that encrypted traffic doesn't just transit through as a vehicle for malware, but in fact that we're able to decrypt and install interdiction points. Those types of things are important, whether it's traditional IT or if it's coming from all of these new devices now.
I would imagine that as these standards roll out and become more sort of embedded, there's going to be perhaps a dynamic between U.S. standards and international standards, different sector standards. Does that become an issue?
Absolutely. Yep. So first mover opportunities are really critical at this time to help ensure that there's a good understanding. There's potential for unintended consequences here. There are potential, discussions about certifications and what does that actually look like, and so being smart about the supply chain issues, being smart about ensuring that we're not trying to mandate specific technologies that'll be obsolete by the time that the regulations are actually written, but ensuring that those standards drive towards risk reduction is really a goal that we talk about domestically, whether with NIST or internationally, carrying that NIST work externally or working directly with governments around the world.